Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how you can check your serial number of GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, first, let's simply move and enable our little settings here. Then, you can head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to scroll all the way down. Well, not all the way down, because we don't want to head into Reset, we want to head into About. Now, inside About, we want to click Camera Info. And here you can see your serial number. This can be used to detect if your camera is legit or not. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.